Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Buffer for consistent social media publishing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Buffer for consistent social media publishing, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to Buffer's official website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required fields with your email and create a password. You can also sign up using your existing social media account for convenience. Once your account is created, log into Buffer. After logging in, you will see a welcome screen with options to connect your social media accounts. Click on the Connect Your Social Accounts button. Choose the social media platforms you want to link, such as Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Buffer to access your selected accounts. Once connected, you will be redirected to your Buffer dashboard. To set up a publishing schedule, click on the Settings tab. Under the Publishing section, you can customize your posting times. Select specific days and times that align with your audience's online activity. Now, add content to Buffer by clicking on the Content tab. Here, you can create new posts by entering text, adding images, or linking to articles. After composing your post, choose which social media accounts you want to publish to. You can schedule the post by selecting a specific time or add it to your queue for automatic posting. To keep track of your posts, use the queue feature. Monitor engagement by checking the analytics provided by Buffer. Adjust your strategy based on performance insights. To ensure consistency, set aside time to regularly add new content to your Buffer account. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to effective and consistent social media publishing with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.